see many flowers. Yes, on the mountains.
What's a mountain?
Mountains, it is the days become long, the nights become shorter. I like spring.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, John. Spring is a beautiful season. Yes. Today we have tennis. They are clever and strongest. Алар бүгін екі команда бар. Алар ақылға жана күш көрсөтөдөгүнө. Now they will say compliment to each other. Азыр ушул команда бизге комплимент айтат. Please, your compliment. Your compliment. Please stand up. Stand up. Your compliment, please. You are. Okay, thank you. Please sit down. What did they say?
They said beautiful.
Okay, Elor. Алар силердин эмне болду? Жылдыз дуусуңар деди. Okay, your compliment, please.
You are.
Thank you. Sit down. What did they say? Алар эмне дешти балдар?
They said,
They said, welcome. Okay, азаматсыңар деди. You are very full of idea, fantasy person. Силер балдар эң мыкты, эң азаматсыңар. Okay? There are many countries in the world. Do you know how many countries are in the world? Please, Louisa.
116.
Thank you. Who else? Who else?
204.
203.
Who else? Okay, good. Well done. 203 countries in the world. Okay, when they meet or communicate, what they need? Ошол экөөсү балдар жолукканда эмне менен байланышат? Okay, language. Which language? English. Okay, English language. Well done. Why? Эмне үчүн именно ошо англис тилинде? Okay. Sen?
Because
Because.
international language.
Okay. English is international language. Англис тили бул эл аралык тил. Thank you. Well done. Look at screen. What is it? Red car. Okay. Men are wearing clothes. Next. What is it? Telephone. What can you see? Where can you see? These things. Шунда силер кайсы жакка көрөсүңөр? Болуп Great, waiting. Here, model of one. There are many big high stories, Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and London is a beautiful city in the world. Бұл жерде балалар сілер Лондонды көріп атасыңар. Лондондың сұлулығын қарайшы, қаншалаған биік тамдар, Big Ben, Tower Bridge, анын океандары, сулары. Бүгін, today we have two teams, балалар, бүгін бізде екі команда бар. They will compete with each other. Сілер бүгін бір-бірімен жарышасыңар. Алда бір қанша тастар болады. Who will win? Who will active today? The team will visit just London. Okay? Okay. Бүгін бір қанша тапсырмаларды жеңүүчү болсо, ошол командаға Лондонго жолдоо. Okay. That's why should be active and don't be shy. Ошондуктан биз бүгүн активдүү катышабыз. Уялбайбыз, э? Окей. The aim of the lesson. Балдар бүгүн биз биринчи сабактын максатын коюп алабыз. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to identify capitals of the United Kingdom using the map and identify British features. Бүгүнкү сабактын максаты балдар биз Улуу Британиянын төрткө бөлүнгөнүн жана ошолордун борборлорун айырмай алсак, ошондой эле Улуу Британиянын өзгөчөлүктөрүн да айырмай алсак, жана Улуу Британия жөнүндө суроолорго так жана туура жооп бере алсак, биз сабактын максатына жеткен болобуз. Окей? The keywords. Please repeat after me. Queen,
Queen,
language,
language,
consist, killed, double-decker bus,
double-decker bus,
Wales,
Wales,
Scotland,
Scotland,
Big Ben,
Big Ben,
telephone cab,
telephone cab,
Northern Ireland.
Northern Ireland.
Read your syllabus.
Queen, language, consist, killed, double-decker bus, wireless, Scotland, Big Ben, telephone cab, Northern Ireland.
Do you know translation of these words? Bulardan gevlerini bilsek, gevlerini bilmeyiz. Please. Queen. Language. Consist. Okay. Killed. National causes. Double-decker bus. Wales. Scotland. Big Ben. Telephone cab. Northern Ireland. Okay, well done. Now, today, do you know how many parts are in England? That Улуу Британия канча бөлүктөн турат? There are 4 parts in England. Do you know capitals? Борборлорду билесизби?
Yes.
Please, Eleonora.
London is capital, England, and Edinburgh capital is Scotland,
Okay.
and Cardiff capital is Wales, and Belfast capital is Northern Ireland.
Thank you, please sit down. There are many rivers in the United Kingdom. Do you know population about? Do you know population?
65.
How many population?
65.
65 population. Next. There are many rivers in the United Kingdom. Do you know some of them? Көптөгөн дарыялар бар, балдар ошолордун бир экөөсүн билесизби, негизи билесизби? Okay. Thames is the most popular river in the United Kingdom, and Severn is the longest river in the United Kingdom. Британияда эң
Uzun darya.
Okay. There are many universities. Do you know some of them? Көптөгөн университеттер бар. Ошолордун ичинде бирөөгөн билесизби? Oxford,
Cambridge.
okay, and Cambridge. Next. What is it? Largest club. Okay. Next. Elsa Queen. Okay.
She's queen. She's queen.
She is the
Queen.
queen in the United Kingdom. How is she old? Italia. She is 91 years old. Thank you for your attention. Next, today, now you should elect your leader. Adam, please, leader, who is your leader? Are you ready? Yes. Arjun is the leader of the team. And your leader, is Nora. Your leader is Bruno of the team. Okay. Who bu yerde bir qancha nömresi o'rnatilgan. O'shani ustiga rasmiy qadar bo'lib, o'shani bari o'sha havoda javishtiramiz, qurashtiramiz. Bir qurashtirsa, o'sha komanda tanlovga beradi. Okey. Mana sen tushundingmi? First task. Birinchi task. Slide show.
You never know what's coming next, and it keeps you guessing, and it makes it interesting. Because you don't know what's coming next, it's something to talk about. One minute it's really sunny, and the next minute it's a flood, and you don't know what's coming next. It's kind of exciting. But why is it so changeable? Well, there's a reason for that. Obviously, because Britain is an island, it makes our weather system quite unique. We have 5 major areas that bring weather in. Now, they can either be polar or tropical. Obviously, the polar air masses bring in cold weather, and the tropical air masses bring in warm weather. These air masses come in from 2 different directions. One of them is maritime, which is coming from the sea, so maybe the Atlantic Ocean, and the other one is continental, so that's coming from the land. So that could be Central Europe or North Africa. So that again affects what weather we get. When you add that to jet stream, which is a fast-moving air current, you have quite a crazy combination. No wonder we have crazy weather. See, that's a little background into why the weather in Britain is so unique and why we're so obsessed with it, because it's just so interesting. You can never guess what's coming next. Alright, let's get into a 10 very British weather. Number 1, I don't think there's a word that describes British weather better than overcast. Overcast. This is an adjective that describes when the sky is just covered in cloud. You cannot see blue sky because there is only cloud. So this always reminds me whenever I fly back into London, I've been probably on holiday or somewhere sunny, and I fly back in, and you go through this layer of cloud, you descend through it, and you just think, I'm not going to see the sun again for weeks or months. And it's overcast. Constantly nothing but cloud.
Thank you. Now, you should write about this slideshow. What you want? You should know about weather. Okay. Anglia'da adamlar tez-tezde doğuşlarına şu rezervoar gösteriyor. Tabii Anglia'nın böylesi. Tez-tezde duruklarda biraz roşo boyunca doldurmalar. Özüm arası bunca kaçar prezentasyon varsa, birinci sürüyorsun, kişinin cevabını veriyor. I will give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. What did she? Well, не давайте, кім сөйлейтін болды? Кім не давайте? Англия, Наура, климат қандай екен, қана тез-тез.
зонтик, плащ киіп
Okay, sit down. Next, Alia.
The climate of Britain is mild. There is a lot of rain in Britain, and the grass is green all the year round and it grows well. Spring in England is a very beautiful season and is very changeable. In a short time, the weather changes and it rains.
Thank you. Well done. What did she say?
тұрақты емес алатын.
шында жүні болады, жайында салқын болады.
Шында өте.
Сонда емес, жайында өте.
What else?
Тұрақты емес болады. Мысалы, ертеңіне күн жауып тұрса, кешке күн ашылса жер.
Okay. Дизерлер. I'll give you 1 point. Please. Next task is about mixed letters. Балалар, еңгі тас аралашқан таңбалар. You should put in order. Еңгі тастың түсіндігі балалар. Please, one people from each team. Anti командадан бірді дұрыс келеді. Please come. Okay, next. Who was first? Birinci kim oldu bunda? Okay. Language, is it right? From the language?
Yes.
Scotland.
Yes.
Is it right? Okay. Big Ben.
Yes.
Yes. Submarine.
Yes.
Yes. Service.
Yes.
Yes. Next. Wales. Is it right? Queen.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
Bridge.
Yes.
Countries.
Yes.
Yes. I will give you step birinci bir numara. Oşanlıktan mesleği ekonomi. Okay. Meslek olsun. The next task is about true or false. Birinci task is about true or false. Birinci task ne yapılır? True or false. And then next, the first question. Danislav, London is the capital of Scotland. Is it right?
False.
Huh? False. Sit down. Next, Tahmina, the Queen is the head of the United Kingdom. Is it right?
Queen, yes.
True or false?
True.
True. Sit down. Next, Dinara, double decker is a car. False. False. Sit down. Next, Nursultan, Christmas is a show's holiday.
False.
False. Sit down. Cambridge. Next, sit down. Iberi, Cambridge is situated in London.
True.
True. Next, Big Ben is the large tower with a clock in the London. Big person.
True.
True. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. National clothes.
Field.
Field. Okay. Next. Population. Nursultan population. Nursultan population. 65 million. Next, I married the largest globe.
Big Ben.
Big Ben, okay. The next, the lowest river. I do one.
Seven.
Seven, okay. You got one point. Locomotive project. Please, could you come? Так, our task is over. Балдар біздің тапсырмалар hazır күтті. Енді, your leader, бұл жақта болған сіздердің лидерлердің бұл жақтан ең активті қатысқандар білем. Who was
Today we were active. Assistant Maria. Eleanor Wilson.
please sit down. Next